Cell organelles mean small size organs present in the plant cell called cell organelles. The cell organelles, each cell organelle containing their own work. In our syllabus, different types of cell organelles are here. First cell organelle is chloroplast. Chloroplast is a cell organelle, major cell organelle. It present in all higher plants as well as present in the primitive plants also. In primitive plants, chloroplast like cup-shaped, reticulated, different types of shapes in the primitive plants. But in higher plants, it a sac-like structure. It look like a sac-like structure. In primitive or in higher plant, the chloroplast main function is preparation of food material by photosynthesis. So these cell organelle is also called production house of the cell. Production house of the cell. Why we called production house of the cell? Mean the chloroplast cell organelle participated in the photosynthesis to prepare food material. Now we studied about the total clear structure of chloroplast. Chloroplast look like a sac-like structure. It covered by two layers. One is external layer, second one is internal layer. External layer is also called external membrane. Internal layer is also called internal membrane. These two membranes are made by phospholipid chemicals. Between these two layers, internal membrane space is present. Below these two layers or below these internal membrane, liquid juice-like structure is present. The liquid juice-like structure is called stroma. Stroma containing all photosynthetic enzymes, including rubisco. It is the major enzyme during the photosynthesis. Rubisco means ribulose 1,5-biphosphate carboxylase or oxygenate. In this stroma, chloroplast DNA is present. Generally, DNA present in the nucleus, but the DNA present in the DNA present in the cell organelle. That DNA is called extranuclear genome. Extranuclear genome is also called chloroplast DNA. Why we called chloroplast DNA means that extranuclear genome present in the chloroplast, so we called chloroplast DNA. If chloroplast DNA present in the cell organelle, that chloroplast is selfly replicable. They have selfly replicable capacity and control the all cell organelle activities under the chloroplast DNA. And in this stroma, platelet-like structures are present. The platelet-like structures are called thylakoid. Thylakoids are present one above the other. They look like a tiles-like structure. The tiles-like structure is called granum thylakoid. The granum thylakoids, 2 or 3 granum thylakoids are connected with one platelet-like structure. That platelet-like structure is called lamella. See children, here it is. The photosynthesis mainly 2 phases. One is dark phase, one is light phase. Light phase occurs in the thylakoids. Dark phase occurs in the stroma of the chloroplast. The thylakoids contains 2 layers. Thylakoids containing 2 layers. Below the 2 layers, one empty space is present. That empty space is called the lumen. In this thylakoid membrane, chloroplast, in this thylakoid membrane, chlorophyll pigments are present. The chlorophyll pigments are called reaction centers. Mainly in higher plant, chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B pigments are present. These are present in the thylakoid membrane. So, photosynthetic first phase is the light phase. The light phase started at the thylakoid membrane. After light phase, dark phase will be present. The dark phase occurs in the stroma of the chloroplast. And in this stroma, ribosomes are present. Ribosomes mainly helps in preparation of food material. And plastoglobules also present. The plastoglobules are reserved food materials of the chloroplast. It is the production house of the cell.